Now I will share to you on how to create production machine schedule. First, we need to make our master worksheet. This one, we'll rename this one as master. Then job order, then quantity, unit, then description. You can also add our price and also order date. So this is the one, and you can put another as remarks. Now we have a master sheet, so we'll put some dummy data. The same will save this one, production machine schedule. So now we have a master file. Now we will create a schedule, this one. Yeah, we just only copy this one. Then we copy all this one. Just show this the same format. I will delete this one. Then we'll see better. Description, then production. This is our machine schedule, so we'll put production hours, then start date, then end date, then days, speed of the machine, say aim speed. So this is a machine speed or capacity of the machine. Then minute per hour and pieces per hour, and we'll put a projected delivery date. Example, the customer or your salesman need the actual delivery date, and your production schedule, you must also put at least the projected delivery date, so that you can determine either that specific schedule will meet according to the delivery requirements. So now we have already our machine schedule, so we'll put some data here. Why I put this master and I put also schedule? Why I not put in one time? The issue here is sometimes in master, whatever order comings should be put in the master sheet, and here also I put separate because your machine schedule is based on the machine capacity. Other machine can run for that specific job, and also other machine is limited for that specific job. So that's why we need to put this master file also, because this one, if we will complete one of those items, so we need to either remove this one and transfer to another. So if we will put our schedule itself in our master, so if we delete this one, we cannot track the previous orders. So this is the purpose of master file, so that you have an original order for you to check if there is some example you produce only partially, so you have data to check if that particular quantity you deliver completely. So now again we'll back to the schedule. So I will put some VLOOKUP here, so that no need to copy and paste. First, I need to assign this one. This is so-called the naming convention, so no need to write the specific range. By this one, it's easy for you. Just select this one to select the all sheet, and now go to the formula, go to define name. So we'll put here master. So now we have defined sheet name. So now we'll back here, just type equal, then VLOOKUP, then hit the tab. Now asking lookup value. So now our lookup value is job order, then comma. Now table array. This is what I told you before. Instead of put the specific columns, rows, so here we just only type master. This one master, then tab, then comma. Now we'll put a column index. So column index, it means since we need this quantity, so I will escape this one. Now VLOOKUP asking a column index. So this is our column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is our column index. So since we need that quantity, so this is number 2, unit number 3, and description number 4. So this is the corresponding column index for this specific field: quantity, unit, and description. So just again equal, then VLOOKUP, our lookup value, this one, job order, comma, table array, which we make earlier, master, comma. Now column index. So since we need the quantity, I put quantity. We need quantity, so column 1, 2, so this is 2, then comma, and now we need to the exact match. Just select this one, then hit enter. Now it's showing NE. Why? Because here our lookup value is nothing, so we need to check. So this is our value, should put there 100, 101, 102. So we'll just put here 100. look what happened. Now so again, if we will copy this one down, it's look annoying for us because there is an NA, so we need to fix this one before we proceed. Then we'll put F error, then put our cursor here, comma, then 0, so we'll put this one as 0 because we are dealing this with a number, so put 0 and close parenthesis, then hit enter. Then we'll copy this one. Now it's showing nothing, so there's no error. Again, the same process, we just only copy this one, then copy, then enter. Now we have our another VLOOKUP, but this is wrong. We need to modify. First, as you can see here, I'll make this one bigger. As you can see, this one, our lookup value, instead of this one, it's coming here, B. So this lookup value should or must be constant. This is the column, so must be constant. So we need to modify here F2, then we need to select this one, just highlight this one, then press F4, another F4, then F4. So this is the one. This dollar should be coming here. This is absolute reference in order to, every time we copy formula from here and another row, it's still our absolute reference is this column A. Now we will hit enter. Look what happened if I copy this one, then enter. Now we have 50. Why 50? Because the issue here is we are referring to our column index 2, so this one should be column index 3, 1, 2, 3. So now we'll put 3 and I will drag it down. So I will copy this one, then hit enter. Again, this pieces we need to modify also here, column index 4. Now we have the correct description. So I will just only copied 1, 0, 1. Look, if I enter 1, 0, 2. So why there's no data here? Because our formula is only in the row number 4. So just only drag down. Now we have a complete order details. So now we'll proceed with the production hours here, and start date and end date. So first we need to, before we proceed this one, production hours, we need to put first here our speed. Let's say we'll put 500, the speed of the machine. This one is 300. This one also is 300. This one is the same because the same category, and short also. Let's see 400 the speed. Machine can run short only 400. Now minute per hour, so obviously this is 60 minute per hour. So now we'll calculate the pieces per hour. Equal, then this speed times minute per hour. So this is the capacity of the machine per hour, because the speed is 500 pieces, since in 1 hour 60 minutes, so times speed times 60, so this is 30,000 pieces per hour should be produced by machine or this job. So since this is 50,000, so we need to put also the production hours. So how many hours this 50,000 produce? So we'll put equal, then order quantity, this one, then divide by this one, pieces per hour. Hit enter, then drag it down. So this is the production hours for this 30 pieces. So this 50,000 pieces, based on our speed, and our machine have the capacity per hour of 30,000. So since this is 50,000 pieces, so machine can run 1.67 hours. So we'll put a start date here. Just press your control, then colon, hit enter. So this is our start date. Now we'll adjust this one. So we need to modify the format of this date, because it should be coming with the R here. Go. Day plus production hours divide by 24, since we have 24 hours in one day. Hit enter. Just copy this format here. So this is now, we need to put a year. We need to put some here. Here we should put also the day. I forgot to put the here. Then okay. I will copy the format here. The same formula here, also the same formula. Then we just only press equal, then here indent. So now this order number 101, we need a production hour of 0.83, and and also this one 102 production are 30,000 pieces, which need a 1.25 hours. Now this is days, this one end date minus start date, so this is the day. So this is the our production schedule equal, just put end date plus 3 days, or it's up to you if you can put 5 days or 6 days. Hit enter, enter, enter. So now we have end date, so we're in this job will finish, then plus 3 days, so it's coming March 14. Here also the same. So this is the process, just put the current date here, then just hit equals and go to the end date for the first row, hit enter, then just copy this one. So the same process, if you have 100 job, just only copy this formula, this one. Just press Alt, then equal to sum. Here also press Alt, equal, then just copy this one here. We'll put also the color in the bottom, then border. So we have our machine plan. Just press this one, press Ctrl, then drag to the right, then remove your mouse button, and now we can put here machine 1, and here also you can put here machine 2. So this is it. Now we have our machine schedule here with our master file. So just put whatever or job request here, and you can assign to your respective machine based on the job work. So this is it. Thank you and God bless.